Hello all, welcome to another session of this course. In this session, I am going to cover the next topic, that is how to use for of loop with arrays. So in the previous sessions, I covered what exactly are arrays and how to use the length and for loop, that is traditional for loop with arrays in order to access the array elements. Now the time has come for me to explain and practically demonstrate how to use for of loop with arrays. So what is the best loop with arrays or iterable elements in JavaScript? In JavaScript, if you have to use a loop with iterable elements like arrays, the best loop that we have to use is for of loop. Apart from the traditional for loop, we can also use for of loop, and this should be preferred over the traditional for loop with arrays. So if you go still back, and there was a topic known as flow control statements. Under the flow control statements, that is, we have one category of the flow control statements like iterative or looping statements. As part of this looping statements, I've already covered in that earlier session or previous session that while loop, do while loop, traditional for loop, and later somewhere here, while I was going through these sessions, in one of the session I covered for in loop with objects I covered. For in loop is generally used with objects, and the time has come for me to explain about one of the last loops. Okay. Under the iterative or looping statements, five type of looping statements are there. That is while loop, do while loop, for in loop, for of loop. Okay. And all the four loops I already covered in the previous sessions. That is while loop I covered, do while loop I covered, traditional for loop I covered, and for in loop with objects. Okay, how to use for in loop with objects, because whenever you are deal with objects, if you want to iterate with objects, right, you generally go with for in loop. Okay, now the time has come for me to explain about for of loop, because the concept is arrays. I'm covering arrays. Instead of using the traditional for loop with arrays, the best loop that you can use with arrays is for of loop, because arrays is iterable kind of item in the JavaScript. For iterable kind of items, we have to use for of loop. Okay. So once I complete this session, this topic also will be automatically completed. Okay. The pending items in this earlier topic will also be completed here, because all the loops which are part of this iterative or looping statements will be done with this session. So let's get started with this session now. Okay. So how to use for of loop with arrays is the topic. How to use for of loop with arrays. In the previous session, anyhow, I covered about the arrays and how to access the elements of the arrays without using any traditional for loop, and also with using traditional for loop and length kind of stuff. But now let's go with some more. Okay, let's go with something more advanced than whatever I covered in the earlier sessions. That is, we are going to use for of loop, okay, which is more suitable with arrays, and how it is so sophisticated with arrays I'm going to cover now. Okay, for that I'll go here to the Visual Studio Code, where you see there is an array already there, and here I'm using the traditional for loop, and the traditional for loop I'm also using this length kind of stuff to find the size of the array here, and this was the logic. Now, if I have to, in place of this, if I have to use a for of loop, I have to use the same for keyword, starting of the loop, for of loop, and ending of the for of loop. And here I have to write let. Okay, let, you can give something like, let I of A. A is the array. Okay, A is the array here. I is some variable you just mentioned. Then for each and every item in this array, or you can also give E for each and every array element in this array. You can give any variable name here, that's okay. Just try to print E case. Okay, that's all. You see which one is simple, this one is simple or this one is simple. Clearly you can see that this is a winner, right? With arrays, this is a winner. For each and every element of this array, you will be iterating and printing the elements of the array. You don't have to use the length with traditional for loop and all those stuff, let me comment this part, and let me only enable this part, and let me run this code. For that, I'll just open this terminal here, and in the terminal, let me run this code. All the elements of this array should be printed now for us. That is 5 to 50 should be printed no matter how many elements are there. Okay. Without worrying about the size or length of this array, we should be able to access all the elements of the array with this simple logic, that is for of loop logic with arrays. Okay. So here array hyphen demo dot js. You see all the elements of the array got printed and we were successfully, okay, we are successful in using this for of loop with arrays. So hope guys you got the understanding of how to use for of loop with arrays. With this, we are done with all the type of looping statements under the flow control statements. Okay, all the looping statements got satisfied and also this for of loop with arrays concept is also done. So that's all for this session, guys. In the next session, I'm going to cover about the different methods we can use with arrays. Okay, array methods I'm going to cover in the next session. Till then, see you. Bye bye.